eye-opening. We have the next speaker, Mr. Joji from Kerala. He was with the Gulf many years in the food industry. Now he is the very good consultant, top packaging company. It is his company, but he has associated with the PCRI as a South India head on this. So I will request him to make presentation on that quality part. How it is that enhancement of the quality, and followed by the next speaker is going for the major on the AI, how AI it is there. So I appeal Mr. Joji Joseph to start the session, please. Yes, you can share the screen.
Yeah, good evening. I want to share the...
Yeah, please share the screen. Joji, you can share the screen, please.
No, 1 minute.
Share the screen, yeah. Yes, please.
1 minute. Yeah, can you?
Yeah. Joji, yes. You have shared. Now you please go to the screen. No, go to the file. You have shared the screen. Don't stop.
Yeah, it is not coming. Yeah, it's coming.
Yeah. Yes. Go for the full. Go for the bigger slide. Go for the bigger. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Yeah. No. Not this one. Go for the screen. Yeah. There. Yes.
Okay.
Packaging quality. Yes.
Yeah. Good evening, everyone. Good evening to all. My name is Joji. I am from Kerala. Actually, I am from Indian Institute of Packaging from Bombay. So Mr. Karna is my senior in my packaging course actually. So I'm from the 7th batch. So I am associated with PCRI as South Indian head actually, South Indian head. So it was excellent journey along with PCRI, and I do learn nowadays also a lot of things from Karna, and we are trying to serve the community, our packaging fraternity, and as a whole, as a community, in respect of packaging. So my subject is given is quality. So I will go in a bit of technical. That would be ideal. So I will start with packaging quality. So packaging quality depends. The product quality is dependent on packaging actually. That basically it is a packaging performance. In turn, it protects the product. It presents the product, give a good user experience, and it complies with the regulatory compliances. So packaging quality and product quality is interrelated. So protection means it protect against damages, moisture, dust, etc. Material quality, it is a durability of the packaging material, and it should be appropriate for safe handling of the product actually. Then presentation would say it is a design and appearance. It should have a attractive and professional look, and it should have a good print. It should be printed properly with clear branding. It should give us a shelf appeal to the customers. Then functionality, it is easy openability like that, and compliances, if you come under compliances, label informations on the labels, and if it should comply with the regulations of the land. Okay. Then packaging, how packaging enhance the quality, packaging quality enhancements. Here, in all the sectors, there is always a scope of improvement in packaging material which is used actually. Material improvements, such as if it is a moisture sensitive product, then you can have a understanding of usage of moisture proof material, so that the shelf life of the package of the product will remain stable actually. Then structural and design enhancement. Here, optimize. Everyone has to look at whether your packaging is structurally designed. Actually, it is optimally structurally designed for protection during transport, and it prevents the damage. Then visual and brand appeal, brand upgrades means high quality printing, graphics, and consistent brand colors, fonts, etc. is very important. Then user experience, you can say it is resealable or reusable packaging for convenience. Then quality control consistency. Here, the packaging has to be constantly monitored. That many middle level industries or maybe small scale industries, they ignore. So, which will add into a lot of complications and rejections actually. Here, continuous inspection of the material, printing and assembly of defects has to be done. Then batches has to be monitored, and regular supply audits has to be done. So that is very important. Then there are sustainable factors which my colleagues had already told. Then technology innovations. It is very important. See, smart packaging concepts like QR code, NFC tags, AR experience of engagement. Then and anti-counterfeit tamper evidence technologies. That is all very important. And continuous improvements, you have to always keep on collecting feedback from the market actually, and regular review of the materials and technologies to stay competitive. Okay. Then this has just I formulated for a packaging quality enhancement checklist, which you can see material selection. Then structural design, whether your product, your packaging material is structurally optimized, box design, everything is correct. It is not oversized. Visual and branding. Then functional user experience, easy to open, reasonability. So with the checklist, you can just evaluate your packaging. Then quality control, inspection of printing, materials, assembly defects, etc. Sustainability, if you are using plastic material also, you can always check to reduce the excess packaging material which is used. Or any returnable packaging options are there. Eco-friendly inks and adhesives can be used. So these are some of the sustainable action. Okay. Then technology innovation I have already mentioned, and continuing improvements. For example, food packaging quality enhancement. As I mentioned, packaging protects, extends shelf life, ensure safety, improve customer experience. Material selection can go for barrier material, and a lot of innovations in this sector. It is happening actually. So whether according to your product, your packaging material is suitable to extend the shelf life has to be rechecked actually. Okay. So just I'm concluding. Then I'm just mentioning, if, for example, chips or namkeen mixtures, for example, what should be the if quality enhancement? What you see is whether you check, are you using the best packaging? Is the packaging material suitable for your product? It will safeguard your product. Maybe laminates or maybe the monolayer which you are used has to be rechecked to get the you go for the best packaging and according to the shelf life which is required. Then add-ons can be, you can say you can give a matte finish or bold branding, resealable zipper or premium packs. Another example which I can say, biscuit and cookies, Flora packs is generally used, a rigid tray inside flexible packaging. Here, the main concern is prevent crushing and breakage. Maintain, and it has to maintain freshness, and it is always hygroscopic. Add-ons can be family packs or single packs, which examples you can infer from the market actually. That is it. Thank you, and I wish you all of a very happy World Packaging Day. Thank you.
Well, thank you. Thank you, Joji, for very good insight of the quality. I am appealing you all, dear friends. You see that what it is there, please see seriously, and appealing to all. When you think for the quality, you should not ignore, underestimate the Indian standards. Always you say US compliances, ASTM standard, TAPI standards, ISO standards. What Indian standard says, BIS. In 1966, we have had only 4 standards related to our subject packaging. Now we have got 700 packaging standards. I can give you one example. Most of the corrugated box manufacturer, they have got the automatic plant in crores, but they do not have the Indian standard about that. What are the standards available, a specification for corrugated box? What are the guidelines? And then they speak about the quality and cost. How it is possible? How can you ignore the Indian standards? When you are going to purchase craft paper, you are not referring Indian standard 1397 for the craft paper. Standards have been classified in the 3 sections, many sections. One is the specification standard, second is the test method standard, and third is the code of the practice. If you will go with this, so once we say about the quality, quality is the functional properties, fitness of the product, acceptance of your ability with respect to the specification. Once you say about the quality, you will have to say the specification. If you accept the specification, that becomes your quality. That is your reference. But how will you refer without a standard? This insight of the presentation is very clear that some standard is essential, and a standards will give you a specification give you the functional properties, and functional properties will give you the utility applications. So thank you very much, Mr. Joji. You have given the insight. That is, the quality is not only the quality what you say, but it has to be spoken in a very good way.